Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain if you're getting this error on your Xbox console, which means you have not connected to your internet connections. That's why you are getting this error. It says you are not online. You need to be connected to the internet to view the stores. So if you give the test connections right, you will be knowing what exactly happening on your Xbox with the network. So it says we are not sure what's wrong. Okay, so hardware problem. It says like this. Okay, I'm going to give continue, and then so here, right, you can see this. So here, right, on this home screen, you can see connect to the Xbox network, or directly you can connect it through your settings. So here, right, I'm going to manage wireless networks. So I'm going to give the setup wireless network because I have changed the password of my Wi-Fi. So I need to provide the right password here. So this is my Wi-Fi connections. So here I need to provide. So just enter the password and try to connect your Wi-Fi connections. So that's it, friends. Now it's successfully connected. It is asking me to update the software. So I'm going to update it. So now all the issues fixed. Now I can open Windows Store. So that's it, friends. This is the way you can fix the issue on your Xbox console. That's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedback to me in the form. Thank you. Bye. Take care.